Here's some of Florida's native plants. We have a patch of palms. A patch of palms. Yep. This is what a lot of the shrub life looks like in Florida. Big old oaks. This is the big and mighty magnolia tree. They're all over, everywhere. Big old pine stumps. There's a big old tree. Oh, there goes the train. These are some cool looking pine cones. They are. Ooh. Looks like that limb was broken off. Oh, look. I see. It's a whole tree. It fell. Yeah, that was a very big tree. A very big tree. All the way. Yeah, it is. Wow. Very long tree. It goes all the way back. It still goes. Open? Yeah. It's locked. You have to have a key. A key. What happened? Huh? It broke? No, it's locked. Locked. It has a lock on it. You need a key. Yes, you need a key. It's a pretty nice park. Peace. It looks like they're planting some things over here to help the erosion. You can see it's all the way along this waterway. It's probably a good idea. A lot of the hurricanes from the last few years have really taken its toll with erosion around Florida areas. They got hit pretty hard. Gotta do it loud. Woo! Let's go through. Ooh! Uh-oh! Ooh! Ooh! Noah. Ah! Ah! Ooh! Ooh! That was fun. The sun is setting. This is a cool little path. I bet there's a ton of mosquitoes down here at nighttime. What is it? Running, running, running. So these are the Florida marshes and what they look like. All kinds of wildlife in there. And you look over here and you can see a sea foam of green. Let me put you on the other one. There you go. You can see everything. Yeah. It's a little eerie. We've just gotten so much rain. But yep, these are the Florida marshes. Lots of wildlife. And look, we come out to this beautiful lake. Let's come out here and see. Go see?
Yeah.
Let's go see. Yeah. There's something over here. What is this? Might have been an old spring well or something back in the day. Imagine a long time ago when in uninhibited Florida, what's down here? Ooh, let's go see. Let's go see. Ooh, I see a little clamshell. Little clamshell. It's down here. Another little clamshell. Bunch of them. Must be the raccoons and things. Huh. The raccoons come down here and eat. Eat. Ooh. And here we are on the other side. Beresford Lake. Perfect timing. That was a hawk. I am not going to walk down there because it's nothing but muck. And I'm holding my grandson. Look at this. Is this bamboo or sugarcane? I don't know. Bamboo? Some type of bamboo. Oh, look at all the baby cypress growing everywhere. That big old cypress. Ooh-wee. Beautiful day on the lake. Now this was worth the walk. This nice cool breeze, this beautiful view. So now I'm gonna go see how my daughter is because she was a little bit scared coming through the swamp. But that's okay. You better? Yeah. All right. That's a cool looking old cypress stump. Let's come look over here, she says. Let's come look. Oh yeah. I wonder how old that cypress is. I'm sure someone knows. The big hole in it. Let's see what's in it. There's nothing in it. No. I bet it could tell some stories. Yeah, that's a bamboo. It's definitely not sugarcane. I'm still learning my grasses. But heck yeah. Nice trail. Very nice lake. I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to come take a little walk and see what rural Florida is like. Y'all have a blessed day. Railroad tracks for the sunrail. Well, God bless you, grandson. Ooh, you okay? Okay. What is that? Railroad tracks?
Yeah.
Tracks. Right next to the park, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go find Mom.